So I have here a really great product for making sit-ups not only more fun, but just getting more exercise out of your sit-ups. It comes with everything that you need to put it together, and it's very simple to do, but also everything's just quality made here. Like, it's made to last. And even the punching bag feels great. It comes with this little pump so you can pump up the bag, and then it's all set up. So what you're gonna do is mount this on something like your door, and then you're gonna put your feet right here, and then you do your sit-ups and then punch the bag. And since you don't really wanna hit the bag against the door, you're gonna wanna hit it from the side, and that's gonna work those ab muscles even more. So that's a great detail. And also makes it so much more fun to do your sit-ups when you have something to hit. The spring on here is also very strong. Everything on here is just really high quality. It's great, it's perfect. And it's something that I'll continue to use. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.